Today, when we look for a cure, we go to the drugstore, but in the past it was the apothecary. So why don't we step back in time and create our own apothecary planter? It's really easy, but to do it, you want to start first with the right container. If you're reusing a plastic container, you'll want to make sure it's food-grade plastic. You see, you want to avoid harmful chemicals leaching into your soil. If you're not sure, you may want to find another type of container. For my apothecary planter, I've chosen a Crescent True Drop container. It's 100% food safe, portable, and very stylish. The next thing you'll want to do is choose your herbs. Today, I've chosen Italian flatleaf parsley, lemon thyme, and rosemary. I picked this combination because all three of these plants need partial to full sunlight, and all three hold a high medicinal and culinary value. Let's start with the rosemary. Wonderful herb. Who doesn't love rosemary when using it on the grill with meats and so forth? For 2,000 years, it's been used as a stress reliever, a great herb for your skin, as well as a memory booster. Now let's move over to the thyme. Thyme's been used for a long time, and it's purported to have qualities that help you with bronchitis, blood clots, and even used as a mouthwash. Having your plants in a lightweight planter allows you to move them easily. You can rearrange the patio, you can move them into better light, and you can also move them inside during winter months. So what's the takeaway here? Well, I think it's integrating herbs into your containers. They're not only beautiful, but very useful. Get creative and enjoy the countless benefits they can bring to us.